Okay, hello engineers and students. So eto naman, ang sasagutan natin, capacitance ng transmission line, no, capacitance per kilometer ng transmission line. So three-phase siya. Tapos take note natin, each phase has two bundled conductors. No, space 0.4 between conductors in the bundle. So ano yung mga take note natin? Siyempre una, formula kapag capacitance. Ito yung formula natin. And when we are talking about the capacitance is this, 'di ba 2 pi EO over ln of GMD over the RB. And then, tine-take note din natin 'di ba kapag bundled na yung conductors, ano yung formula na kino-consider natin. So take note of this formula naman. Since sa capacitance, ang kino-consider na natin ay radius na medyo hindi na natin papansinin yung GMR. Eto na siya, no, sa two bundled conductors, ito, napag-aralan naman na natin 'to, 'di ba, on a separate video, no, on how to get the equivalent radius or the equivalent GMR kapag bundled yung conductors. Now, for these two bundled conductors sa ating problem, ito, the equivalent radius is square root of radius ng bawat isa times the distance of bundling. So, i-consider natin yon yung dalawa. We are in three-phase connection, and then each phase has two bundled conductors. Sa una, the capacitance to neutral is the formula 2 pi EO over the ln of GMD over the equivalent radius ng ating bundle. And ito nga yun, no? Yung kulay dilaw, square root of radius ng bawat isa divided by the distance of bundling. So for the bundle of 2, i-take note na natin, the equivalent radius of the bundle is square root of radius each, no, radius ng bawat isang conductor, tapos i-multiply lang natin yung distance of bundling, o gaano daw ba kalayo yung conductors na nakabundle. So drawing na natin yung figure. So the transmission line has bundled conductors and yung mga pase ay naka-arrange horizontally. So ipakita natin yung transmission line natin. Dalawa yung conductors, each phase, tapos yung tatlong pase naman ay arrange horizontally. So ito yung bawat isang pase natin. Ipakita natin yung three-phase. So ito naman kapag three-phase. And then lagyan lang natin ng distances, no? So una, the distance of the conductors between the inside the bundle. So 0.4 meters. Ito yan, yung 0.4 meters. This is the spacing of the conductors inside the bundle. That is the distance of bundling. Tapos, yung mga magkakatabing pase daw, 5 meters from each other. So this is 5 meters and another 5 meters sa magkatabi na to. And we can see now that sa dalawang magkabilang gilid, the distance between them is 10 meters. Okay. Ganun pa din 'di ba ang kailangan natin, just like on our solution ng inductance, GMD over GMR kapag inductance. So dito naman GMD over the equivalent radius, no? So unahin natin ng GMD. Mas madali nga kasing i-solve yung GMD. So since we are in three-phase, solving for the GMD, ayan ulit yung cube root. 'Di ba, cube root nung tatlong distances sa pase natin. So eto, yung dalawang pase na 'to, 5 meters. Yung faces naman na 'to, 5 meters din. Tapos yung faces natin on the two sides, yung dalawang gilid, 10 meters. So, we can now solve for the GMD first, 'di ba, in meters. Cube root of 5 times 5 times 10. 6.2996 meters. And then pangalawa, what will be the equivalent radius of the bundle? Now, by following the formula, square root of, is there a given radius of each conductor? So yes, no, the radius of each conductor is 0.75 and the distance of bundling is 0.4 meters. No, by that two quantities, nakita natin na magkaiba yung units nila. Yung isa naka centimeters, yung isa naka meters. So, sino masusunod? Siyempre, di ba by the requirement na same ang units ni GMD tsaka ni RB, i-follow natin sino ba yung kay GMD, yung meters. No, kung naka-centimeters etong 0.75, siya na i-convert natin. Na in 1 meter, there are 100 centimeters so that there will be the cancellation here. So ito pa lang yung RH. Tapos wala naman na tayong problema sa distance of bundling kasi naka-meters naman na. 0.4. 0.4 meters. And then we can now have the answer. Equivalent radius of the bundle in meters. Square root of 0.75 over 100 times 0.4. So 0.05477 meters. And then let us now solve by the formula. Capacitance to neutral is 2 pi. Again, by the use of the calculator, Casio, the EO, the absolute permittivity is constant 32. And then ln of the GMD, 6.2996. And then the equivalent radius is 0.05477. Our answer here is in farad per meter. The choices. The key answer is in microfarad per kilometer. No, microfarad per kilometer. So let's have the multiplication of the conversion factor. There are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. So dito sa answer na to, ipakita na lang natin yung capacitance na naka-times 10 raised to negative 6 na ayun na yung microfarad. So 2 pi times the constant number 32 and then ln of the GMD 6.2996 over the R equivalent 0.05477 times 1,000 in raised negative 6, 0.0117. So 0.0117 times 10 raised to negative 6 farad per kilometer or 0.0117 microfarad per kilometer. So this is the answer. And on the key answer, so syempre dapat tama, 0.0117 microfarad per kilometer. So take note nyo ang distinct difference between solving the inductance and capacitance is that the denominator of the GMD kapag capacitance, equivalent radius. The denominator of the GMD kapag inductance, GMR. Okay?